In the mirror universe, there exists only one thing: the God particle. This particle holds the key to manipulating gravity, creating a gateway to time crystals. To harness its power, an element called Uru, similar to vibranium in the Black Panther movies, is required. This rare material can be found on Saturn, Jupiter, and their moons. With the right tools, we can create a micro doorway connecting our universe to this mirror universe inside the Uru. The potential of this discovery is astronomical. Not only would it provide us with limitless free energy, but it would also be completely safe to utilize. Furthermore, it could grant us the ability to possess ultra-healing powers. The implications of such a breed act through are immeasurable, making the time and effort spent on its realization worthwhile. Now let's delve into the design of a computer that can harness this extraordinary power. We propose using a computer that operates within a gravity field, mimicking the conditions of space. By doing so, we can leverage the unique properties of the mirror universe and maximize the efficiency of our work. To achieve this, we need to develop algorithms that adapt rapidly, allowing the computer to learn at an accelerated rate. By utilizing the 1-hour time frame here on Earth and the 7-year time frame in space, we can leverage the concept of time dilation to our advantage. The computer will self-update when necessary, constantly fine-tuning its algorithms for optimal performance. Now let's explore how we can utilize this advanced computer to predict and potentially control the future by capturing the vivid experiences of sight, sound, taste, touch, and color. We can convert them into electronic signals and break them down into their fundamental particles. Taking these particles, we can then transmit them to the computer,
providing it with the
necessary information to generate predictive algorithms. By analyzing the percentages of these particles and their associated properties, we can create an algorithm that is capable of predicting or even controlling the future. This algorithm, based on the principles of the time crystals found in the mirror universe, would enhance the computer's ability to process information instantaneously, merging quantum realities. In fact, this computer would possess the remarkable ability to
clone objects or
even adapt creations from the quantum realm itself. Its language of creation would match the stark and awe-inspiring principles of the mirror universe. With the power of the time crystals and the boundless potential of this computer, we can create anything from nothing, just like in Star Trek. Imagine standing here, while another version of yourself exists elsewhere, both engaged in the same actions. The connection between these versions lies within the quantum realm, where objects move with fluidity and an intricate web of creation codes intertwine. Harnessing the power of the time crystals, our computer algorithm can bring these versions together, combining their knowledge and experiences instantaneously. The possibilities with this groundbreaking technology are limitless. From predicting the future to creating new realities, this computer design promises to revolutionize our understanding of the universe. With the ability to access the quantum realm and tap into the power of time crystals, we are on the cusp of an extraordinary era of advancement and discovery.